Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Binance wallet. First, download the official Binance app or visit their website. Next, register for an account using your email or phone number. It's a quick process. Then, complete the identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock all features and ensure your account's security. This step is crucial for protecting your assets and complying with regulations. You'll be ready to proceed in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about securing your new wallet. It's vital to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, right away using an authenticator app or SMS. Always use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Be vigilant against phishing attempts. Never click suspicious links. Also, ensure your email account linked to Binance is highly secure. These steps significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your funds. With your wallet set up and secured, it's time to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet by generating a deposit address for your chosen coin. Alternatively, purchase crypto directly using a debit or credit card, which is often the easiest method for beginners. For larger amounts, consider using bank transfer options available in your region. Always double-check the network and address before confirming any transaction to avoid errors. Finally, you're ready to manage your crypto. Explore Binance's various features like trading, staking, and earning interest on your assets. When withdrawing funds, always ensure the recipient address is correct and choose the appropriate network. You can withdraw to external wallets or directly to your bank account, depending on your needs. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals. Happy crypto journey!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.